Hi there singers, Peter from Vox Singing Academy here, just checking in with you. I am 4 days into quarantine after contracting COVID and probably my 5th day since I felt really bad, which was the Friday. And today I taught a few online lessons today and I feel remarkably a lot better. My voice feels a lot better and clearer. And yeah, I have really 97% of my range, which is fantastic. I really wasn't feeling great the last time I checked in on the Sunday because I had been coughing and clearing my throat a lot on the Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So my voice wasn't great in that respect. I still have phlegm in my chest, even though it's day 5 of feeling bad, but really day 4 of testing positive. I'm feeling a lot better today than what I have the last couple of days. So anyone that is sick, hang in there because it's an awful thing. And really the last 1 or 2 days I was thinking, geez, I'm not feeling much better. But today I did make big leaps with the way that I feel the latter part of the day. And my voice feels really good. So that's really what I can say in reporting in. As I said, 4 days into quarantine, 5 days after being sick. Still have a tickle in my chest, still coughing up a lot of phlegm. But overall, my body aches and pains have pretty much completely gone. My headache has subsided, which is absolutely fantastic because I've had a pounding headache for really about 4 or 5 days flat out. My ears are still quite blocked. My nose is still quite blocked. Don't have any taste or smell at all. That's pretty much all it is. My voice is feeling good. So my falsetto is wee wee wee, wee wee wee, wee wee wee, wee wee wee, and my range, my lower range isn't there anymore. Sol, 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 sol. I could sing lower a lot easier on Sunday. My true voice range is up in true voice is high, is very good back. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a C sharp, could probably go to D, so no problems with that. And I think I sung Let It Be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. I think I sung that on Sunday and my voice was husky and I had to sing it really low. So there's the improvement in my voice after 4 days in quarantine. So I'm going to check in. I'll actually check in at the end of my quarantine, which will be on Saturday. And I'm sure that I'm going to be absolutely 100%, but just to give you my symptoms and tell you how I'm feeling. But yeah, feeling good today. It's really my 5th day of being sick since I really got super sick on the Friday, and I'm the 4th day in. So guys, if you're feeling sick, hang in there, and I'll report back in at the end. Bye-bye.